Hi friends, thanks for watching. Today I am sharing with you 10 cleaning hacks using household items you probably already have at home. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I would love to have you. Let's get cleaning. The first hack that I'm sharing with you is an easy dishwasher cleaner that only requires 2 ingredients. The first one that you need is distilled white vinegar, and then the second one is an essential oil scent of your choice. If you don't have essential oils, you can always use lemon juice or lime juice or any other kind of fresh scent. And then you're going to put that into a dishwasher safe container. So I just used a glass Pyrex here. You're going to place it in the top rack of your dishwasher and then run your dishwasher on a normal cycle and let the vinegar do its magic.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the
After the dishwasher has run its normal cycle, you're going to want to open up the door and let out some of the steam. I usually don't like to let the dishwasher do a normal dry cycle when I clean it like this. Instead, I will let it dry for a little bit and then take a dry microfiber cloth or any rag will work and just kind of wipe out parts of the dishwasher. You also want to make sure that you dump out your container that had the vinegar in it and give it a good dry down, and I am so impressed with how this looked when it was finished cleaning. It is so sparkly and shiny, and the essential oils really help to make the dishwasher smell really good. The second hack is basically the same thing, except you're going to do it for your microwave. So go ahead and fill up your container with the same vinegar and essential oil that you used before, or any kind of scent that you want in the microwave. And then the key to cleaning the microwave is you want to set the timer for as long as it would take for the water to boil and to get all the gunk from off the sides of the microwave. So I set my timer here for 5 minutes. That was plenty of time for the water to boil and have a few minutes to fully clean. You may need to set your microwave for a different time depending on how powerful it is.
If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious.
Carefully remove the container when it is done cleaning, and then go in with a damp sponge and just get all of the grime off of the door and the sides of the microwave. You will find that it is so much easier to do because you use that vinegar solution. You don't have to scrub as hard. I took the turntable plate out as well to make sure that I wiped that down really well, and you will see in just a second when you look at my sponge that there was plenty of dirt and stuff inside of this microwave. I am so glad that I did this, but I really did not have to scrub very hard. And after I use the sponge, you're going to see me go in with a microfiber cloth and wipe down the inside to dry everything off next.
'Cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight.
Hack number 3 is for those of you who have a reusable toilet brush like I do. I prefer to use this kind because it is less wasteful, and so I clean it by using vinegar and essential oil. I slosh it around a little bit, and then I didn't show it in the video, but I did let it sit for 10 minutes before I come back and rinse it all out with some hot water. And then make sure that you leave it in a spot to air out and dry fully before you put it away. You can also periodically put some essential oils in the toilet brush while you store it like normal. Hack number 4 can be done a couple of different ways depending on what type of antibacterial cleaner you like to use. I prefer to use the Method Antibac spray, and then I wait about 10 minutes before I go back in and wipe it down. The key to properly using antibacterial spray is letting it sit a little bit before you wipe it down. I'm going to wipe down the outside and the inside, and then I'm going to show you guys how I make my own deodorizer for the trash can.
Lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time and I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win.
My trash can deodorizer is super simple. I'm just saturating a few cotton balls with this orange essential oil. You can use any scent that you want, and then I'm going to pop them into the bottom of the trash can before I put the bag in. Hack number 5 is for my pet lovers and those of you with kids. If you guys have carpets in your house that need a refresher, then this is the perfect way to do it. This uses baking soda and again, your favorite essential oil. I am using the orange scent again, and I'm going to use these on the mats that are by my front and back door. They get the most foot traffic in my house, and I do sometimes throw them in the washing machine, but I find that this is the easiest way to give them an uplift and keep them lasting for a long time, especially the scent. So once I mix those things together in a bowl, I'm going to sprinkle the baking soda on these mats, and then I'm going to go in with my vacuum cleaner and vacuum it up. But you want to make sure that you let the baking soda sit on the carpet for a little while before you go in and vacuum it. And this smell, especially the orange essential oil, lingers for days, and it really just helps to not only clean them but to make them smell nice.
You said goodbye like everything's gone. Everything that we could have been. But I know you're my liability. Yeah, I know you're my liability.
Hack number 6 is perfect for having guests over. I always pop a couple of essential oils in the back of my toilet bowl, and this is a great way to make an air freshener without having to plug something into a wall or set something out on a counter. Here I am using a peppermint essential oil and an orange essential oil. I'm doing about 8 to 10 drops in the back of the tank, and then that way when your guests flush the toilet, the scent will be released into the air. Hack number 7 is for those of you like me who do not use bleach very often in your washing machine. I don't really bleach any of my clothes or towels or sheets or anything like that, so I actually have to make the conscious choice to run some bleach through my washing machine. I find that bleach is the easiest way to clean out my washing machine. It was inherited when I bought the house, and so it was very dirty to begin with, but you could definitely use more of a natural cleaner if you choose to use one. I'm first going in with the Method Anti-Bac Spray again and wiping down the outside of the washing machine and everything that I touch, and then I'm going to put bleach in all of the crevices of the washing machine and then wash it on the hottest cycle, whitest of whites, and make sure that it gets fully disinfected. Hack number 8 is a natural drain cleaner. If you have super clogged drains, you may have to go the route of Drano, but like me, sometimes some of my drains are just slightly clogged or they are a little bit dirty around the stopper, and so on this particular day I boiled some water and poured it down the drain in my bathroom, and then I went in with 2 products that you probably already have at home. I first put a little bit of baking soda into the drain around the outside stopper there. There was a bunch of gunk that had built up as well, so some of the baking soda went down the drain, and then I went in with the vinegar, and you can actually see, if you look closely, some of those black specks that was crusted onto the stopper. So I'm really glad that I did this, and it made it super clean. Hack number 9 is perfect for those of you who have a smelly fridge like I did a couple weeks ago before I cleaned mine out. It is very simple and very similar to the carpet deodorizer that we just did. You will use baking soda and your favorite essential oil, give it a stir in a little bowl, and then you're going to stick it into your fridge just like it is. You don't want to cover it or anything. I always stick mine way far back in the back, and the baking soda actually absorbs all of the smelly odor, so this is perfect. Hack number 10 is a great way to get rid of a bad kitchen smell or just an alternative to candles. To make a simmer pot, you want to fill a small saucepan with a bit of water about halfway, fill it with spices, fresh fruit, essential oil, whatever you have on hand. I'm using lemon juice, rosemary, and a touch of vanilla for this one. Bring the pot to a boil and then let it simmer for a few hours or up to all day if you like. I hope this video helped you and inspired you to use some of these household items to freshen up your home for spring. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys again really soon in a brand new video. Bye guys.
We're over that, I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying high.